Proper and improper fractions. Proper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 3 upon 5, 6 upon 7, 8 upon 9, 13 upon 17, 18 upon 19, etc. are proper fractions. Improper fractions. Observe the picture. Let the number of chocolates be 1 whole and 1 half. So the fraction 1 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. In 3 upon 2, the numerator is greater than denominator. This is known as an improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 7 upon 4 is equal to 1 3 upon 4. 9 upon 7 is equal to 1 2 upon 7 are improper fractions. Unit fractions. A fraction whose numerator is 1 is called a unit fraction. Example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 12 are unit fractions. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 12. How to compare fractions? Just as we can compare two whole numbers, we can compare two fractional numbers also. Case 1. Comparing fractions having same denominator. Look at the shaded parts of the following circles. On comparing the shaded parts, we observe that 1 upon 8 is less than 2 upon 8 is less than 3 upon 8 is less than 5 upon 8. Or 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8 is greater than 2 upon 8 is greater than 1 upon 8. Similarly, for other set of fractions, say 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7, 5 upon 7, we have 5 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 7 is greater than 1 upon 7. Thus, we conclude out of two fractions with the same denominator, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater than the fraction with the smaller numerator. As a rule, if we are given a set of fractions with the same denominator, then we arrange them in ascending or descending order according to the ascending or descending order of their numerators. Example 1. Which fraction is greater, 5 upon 8 or 3 upon 8? Solution. Given fractions are like fractions having denominator 8. Comparing the numerators, we find that 5 is greater than 3. So, 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Example 2. Which fraction is smaller, 15 upon 23 or 19 upon 23? Solution. Given fractions are like fractions having denominator 23. Comparing the numerators, we find that 15 is less than 19. Therefore, 15 upon 23 is less than 19 upon 23. Example 3. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. 5 upon 27, 16 upon 27, 11 upon 27, 10 upon 27. Solution. We have 16 is greater than 11 is greater than 10 is greater than 5. Therefore, 5 upon 27, 10 upon 27, 11 upon 27, 16 upon 27. Case 2. Comparing fractions having same numerator. Observe the shaded parts of the strips shown below. On comparing the shaded parts, we observe that 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 5, or 1 upon 5 is less than 1 upon 4 is less than 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 2. Similarly, for the other set of fractions, say 2 upon 3, 2 upon 4 and 2 upon 6, we have 2 upon 3 is greater than 2 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 6. Thus, we conclude Out of the two fractions with the same numerator, the one having the smaller denominator is greater than the other. As a rule, if we are given a set of fractions with the same numerator, then we arrange them in ascending or descending order, according to the ascending or descending order of their denominators. Example 1. Which fraction is smaller, 3 upon 10 or 3 upon 7? Solution. The fractions have the same numerator, namely 3. Comparing the denominators, we find that 7 is less than 10. Therefore, 3 upon 10 is less than 3 upon 7. Example 2. Which fraction is greater, 5 upon 13 or 5 upon 8? Solution. The fractions have the same numerator, that is 5. Comparing the denominator, we find that 13 is greater than 8. Therefore, 5 upon 8 is greater than 5 upon 13. Example 3. Arrange these fractions in the ascending and descending order. 4 upon 18, 4 upon 7, 4 upon 13, 4 upon 23, 4 upon 35. Solution. The numerators of all the given fractions are the same, namely 4. Hence, we compare their denominators. 7 is less than 13, is less than 18, is less than 23, is less than 35. Therefore, the fractions in the ascending order are 4 upon 35, 4 upon 23, 4 upon 18, 4 upon 13, 4 upon 7. And the fractions in descending order are 4 upon 7, 4 upon 13, 4 upon 18, 4 upon 23, 4 upon 35.